Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 20 Slovak Koruna note. Before Slovakia adopted the euro in 2008, its currency was the Slovak Koruna. On the front, we see a portrait of Príjemného, an important figure in early Slovak history who founded the first Christian church in the region during the 9th century. On the back, we see the magnificent Nitra castle, one of the Slovakia's most important historical landmarks. It is located in the city of Nitra in southwest Slovakia. And here we can see Slovak coat of arms. In the right we can see inscription in Slovak, Národná banka Slovenska, which translates to National Bank of Slovakia. There is also inscription in Slovakian, 20 slovenských korún, which translates to 20 Slovakian koruna. Thanks for watching and see you next time.